What's going on YouTube? Random Michael here again. It's been a while, I haven't posted anything. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial for all my people that are staying inside during this epidemic. How to change the language on Crunchyroll. Let me go ahead and show you now right here on the app. Shout out to Yoshi for the premium membership when he finds this. So right here on the beginning, I was watching on 91 days. This is an example. So if you click on this little down arrow here, it'll prompt it up to 91 days original and then English sub. So that's how you switch between them, and I'll show you guys as an example. Let me go ahead and play this quick one really quickly, resume it. Okay, so quick example of that, and then let me go ahead and switch it to dubbed. And this isn't available for every single like series of like an episode. I tried it with Naruto and it didn't let me. It just stick to regular subbed. So let me try it with this one here as an example for you guys. Skip forward a little bit. Or back.
That one. If I didn't know better, I swear he made a wax.
There we go. I don't know why this one's still buffering, but yeah, I think you can see here as the example. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video.